Finally, the last piece of equipment in my home gym would be my foam roller. Foam rollers are really great because they essentially allow you to give yourself a deep tissue massage if you're feeling really sore or if you might have formed any knots in your body from overexerting yourself. So it's really important to get one to not only feel good, but allow you to recover faster if you have overstrained yourself with training. To use it, you essentially just lay on top of it with the part of your body that's sore, so you apply pressure and you roll it back and forth very gently in order to imitate somebody taking their finger or thumb and just massaging the sore spot in your body. Especially before, when I'd frequently do breakdancing on hard concrete, I would get tightness and muscle soreness in my body all the time. And having a foam roller is something that's really allowed me to alleviate that pain, recover more quickly, and has greatly increased my longevity in that now, over a decade later, I have been thankfully able to do things like breakdancing, calisthenics, and martial arts without sustaining any major injuries. Because of that, in my personal experience, I would say having a foam roller is absolutely essential.